A friend of mine, a DJ, just the other day, told me how angry he was by the fact that one of his colleagues, someone who considered him a friend, disrespected him. Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of today's Dog and Pony Show. The sponsors are Electrovoice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Perfect Portals, The Entertainment Experience, and of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So somebody disrespected the guy. What does that tell him? What is that a bad thing? See, I don't think disrespect is someone insulting you. You can take it that way, I suppose. And if you feel insulted, then now you feel like you have to react. You need to prove to them that they're wrong. You need to talk to them about why you should be respected. I mean, who respects a person that says they need to be respected? You have to respond. And no one responds to that stuff well. And the truth is, it's not an insult. Disrespect is just information. Really. You're being informed as to the character of the person who is insulting you, to the judgment of the person that is insulting you. You're finding out that this person is not your person. This person is not your people. And anything that anybody thinks of you is really none of your business anyway. I love that old saying, what people think of you is none of your business. Well, it's true. But it's also a gauge, a compass to take you through life and collect the people in your life that really care for you. Are you a caring, loving, kind, wonderful person? Is that the person you are? I think it is. Why would you have someone around you with the insecurities to look you in the eye and insult you? All they're trying to do is bring you in to the anger and the resentment and the insecurities that they have. And they're trying to put that on you. And by responding to it, it is such a wasted piece of energy. It just really is. I really believe that anything that anybody does to me or says they're doing to me or anything that happens to me is really not personal. And when I'm at my best, I remember that. Somebody says, I hate you. Well, then more than likely they have 17 things going on in their life that is going on in their life that made them say the words, I hate you. And even if they do hate me, that's not about me. Anybody who deals with hate is dealing with something in their own heart, okay? Everybody and anything that happens to you by the people around you and the circumstances you're in are just not personal. And when we take them personally, then we drag all of their insecurities and judgment and fear and hate into our little world. And now we have to respond. Why? Why would you even go as far as to respond to someone who insults you when really they're just telling you that, I'm not worth your time? Think about that. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.